So where do you want to go shopping today at, Phoebes? What if we went to Nordstrom's? No. Okay. What if we went to Macy's? I don't really have a ton left of ideas. What do you mean you already ate? I don't think you ate enough because you're acting really grouchy and I'm just trying to plan a really fun girls' day for us and you're not making it very easy. You're being a really big diva. You know what? I have just a solution. I know just where we're gonna go shopping. We made it into Capital Subaru. Join us here on February 20th for National Love Your Pet Day. If you bring your pup into the dealership, we're gonna hook them up with some free dog swag.